Yes, folks, even with forward-facing sonar technology, you can still catch walleyes on crankbaits. And I just want to take you through the different options that Berkley has to offer. Some of them have been around for a while, and I think everyone knows about the original Berkley crankbait. Came out a lot of years ago, the flicker shad. What I will say is I still think the number 6 is one of the most underutilized in this entire category. It's neutrally buoyant, so it's suspending, so it actually will dive deeper than any of the other ones on a cast. I'm also a huge fan of the jointed flicker shads. The jointed ones have been really good for us in river situations, in dark water, something where you need a little bit more disturbance. So great bait there. Flicker minnows, very, very popular open water bait, available in a lot of different sizes. The size 5 is a great bait. This is an 11, so this would be like the size bait that you'd want to troll in open water, maybe on Lake Erie. The regular hit stick right here, couple different size options, fantastic bait when the water's cold, tons of roll in a stick bait right here, also really good on 3-ways. And then this is the new baby right here, the deep hit stick from Berkley. 3 different size options. Fantastic option, very erratic, very loud bait. And then when I get into maybe one of my favorites, the money badger. A lot of different size options, good for trolling. The bigger sizes have weight transfer systems for casting. So when you look at it, different profiles, all the baits do a little bit something different. Trust me, they all still catch a lot of walleyes. So don't give up your trolling. Berkley has a lot of different great baits. They're gonna put a lot of walleyes in your live well.